Hey guys, we're working on 2010 Outback. I'll show you guys how to remove the steering wheel airbag. Some of you guys want to replace controls or whatever. I tried to do it with the hand T30. It just doesn't work. It needs a little more horsepower. So I went and got one of these guys. There's two holes right here on both sides. There's one right here. Like, that's how easy it is. Just removing those two screws. And then make sure you turn your battery off. Okay guys? You don't want it to explode in your face, which it won't, but safety first. Unplug the battery. And then you get your connectors right here. If you take a little pick tool, just get behind the yellow thing, just push up. It will pop up on both sides. Like that. Don't forget the ground cable. There's a ground cable right here. That's it. Pretty cool design. Yeah, if anybody needs this airbag, it is available for sale.